So this is what you need to do the first time you log on to Tubebuddy to get it all connected with the Chrome extension. So the first thing is within Tubebuddy, while logged on, click Add Channel. And it will find your channel. Once you're logged on to Google, by the way, click Allow, give it a second, and within Tubebuddy, it will connect your channel. This takes a few seconds. And when it comes back, you will see your channel appearing here. Obviously, I've already got one here, and this is my second channel. But you will have your channel there. Depending on what license you are or what trial you are, it'll change the license there, and you will see it appear within Tubebuddy. Then the next thing you need to do is I'm going to get rid of that now because I'm just going to keep it simple with mine yet. The next thing you need to do is find the Google Chrome extension. Probably the easiest way is just to search in the Chrome Web Store for Tubebuddy. If you do a quick search, you will find it and simply click Add to Chrome. Add extension. And your Chrome extension is there. It might redirect now. And within your settings in Chrome, if you scroll down, you want to activate that. Okay. Now, when you click on this for the first time, I think it's when you go to YouTube, you've got to do this as well. So in YouTube now, it will not be working. You'll click on stuff and it won't be working. Now, what you need to do, refresh the page, and within YouTube, you need to activate the Tubebuddy extension. You'll see up there, it will say, Tubebuddy sign-in required. Click here, and you only need to do this once, and it should work. So all you do is you click on the Tubebuddy there, and you click sign in with YouTube. I'm going to sign into my channel. Click allow. So you've got to kind of do that authorization thing twice. You've got to do it within the Tubebuddy while you're logged in and also on YouTube. And then it says, thank you for installing Tubebuddy. And then you are ready to go and everything should work. Yes, so all your tools then are ready to go within Tubebuddy. All right, so in the next video, we're going to show you exactly what I do on every single video I upload to YouTube.